White House release published Monday, October 6, 2025. Department of War Security for the Protection of Federal Personnel and Property in Illinois. The President has issued a memorandum to the Secretary of War, the Attorney General, and the Secretary of Homeland Security. The memorandum addresses ongoing violence and coordinated assaults against federal facilities in Illinois, especially in Chicago. Violent groups have targeted Immigration and Customs Enforcement and Federal Protective Services, seeking to disrupt federal law enforcement and deportation activities. The President states that these actions are increasing and are similar to disruptions seen in other states. Previous incidents led to the mobilization of the National Guard in other regions. The President has determined that regular federal forces are not sufficient to ensure the execution of federal law in Illinois. By presidential authority, at least 300 members of the Illinois National Guard are called into federal service. This order remains until the governor of Illinois consents to a federally funded mobilization under state control. The National Guard will protect federal personnel and property at locations where violent demonstrations prevent or threaten the execution of federal law. The deployment will last for 60 days, or as determined by the Secretary of War. The Secretary of War will coordinate with the Governor of Illinois and the Chief of the National Guard Bureau to identify and deploy appropriate units. The National Guard may perform protective activities deemed necessary by the Secretary of War. Before withdrawing National Guard personnel from any location, the Secretary of War will consult with the Attorney General and the Secretary of Homeland Security. Both secretaries may delegate their authorities as needed to carry out this mission. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.